Hey there, welcome to Shopify website design tutorials, and in the last tutorials we have make our header section more professional, make this section clean up, and today we're going to work on here in the our partner logos and promo section. Then here is the banner. From my design experience, I think I have to make it more clean up, especially move this section from here to top under the main slider and make it more clean. Okay, so to do this, I'm going to Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then I have to click on the customer section, and first I want to remove this image banner from here, and I have added another custom banner section that's called image shine with image shine effect. Looks here, it looks better than previous. Then click on the save. Let me show you the refresh, and here is the update result. It looks good than previous. Okay, and in the Shopify theme development tutorials, I will show you how you can do this by coding if you're interested to learn code. Okay, now I'm going to work on the multi-column. Here is the multi-column. Then going to move it on. We can put it right here. Not bad. Also, we can move it here. It looks good. Looks good. Now I think my voice set more better than previous. Looks here. Of course, it looks more better, and we can move this section, our partner section, under the image shine. Yes, now looks good. Save. Okay, now I want to do a little bit more work on here. Right here, make it more eye-catching. So to do this, go into my another website, e-commerce thesis, and just follow one simple style from here, and this is hover effect. Just going to box shadow, multi-column cart info, box shadow, looks good. Background, okay. And we can add border radius, perfect. Okay, then click on the save. We have done. Now I'm going to refresh my website and check the full review. It looks good than previous, of course. Then the about section, promo section, looks awesome. New arrival, popular product, banner, then partner logo and footer section. So I think everything is perfect right now, and this is very easy for beginner, and I believe you can make your website without hiring any developer. And if you need any developer, I can make your website fully professional and SEO friendly, and can give you the full support to rank your store on the search engine and get more customer and increase the sales. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.